In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Meta AI messages. If you want to remove your conversations with Meta AI, the exact method depends on which Meta app you're using. The good news is that the process is usually quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through how to delete Meta AI messages in Messenger, and then I'll show you how to do the same thing in the Meta AI app. Let's start with Messenger. First, open the Messenger app and find your conversation with Meta AI. Once you're inside that chat, look toward the top of the screen. You'll need to open the conversation details by tapping the info icon, which may appear as a small I, or by tapping the conversation name at the top. This takes you to the settings and options for that specific chat. From there, look for the option that says Delete Chat or Delete Conversation. The wording may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but it will mean the same thing. Tap that option, then confirm the deletion when prompted. After you do that, the conversation will be removed from your Messenger inbox, which helps clear out your chat list and remove that thread from view. Now let's go over the Meta AI app. Open the app and navigate to the conversation you want to delete. Once you've found the correct chat, open the conversation options. In most cases, this is available through the three-dot menu or through the chat settings screen. When that menu opens, choose Delete Chat, and then confirm your choice. Once confirmed, that conversation should disappear from your visible chat history in the app. One important thing to keep in mind is that deleting a chat and resetting AI memory are not exactly the same thing. Deleting a chat typically removes the conversation from your view, meaning you won't see it listed in your inbox or chat history anymore. However, if your goal is to tell Meta AI to delete its stored conversation context, the action you're looking for is Reset AI. That is specifically used to clear the context the AI may be using from previous interactions. So, if you simply want to remove the chat from your screen, use the delete option in Messenger or the Meta AI app. If you want to go a step further and reset the AI's stored context, use Reset AI, and that's how to delete Meta AI messages.